Sharon Danley of 2-Minute Tips with Healthy Beauty and Confident Aging. It's a classic updo, even with thin, fine hair. I'm going to be using my standard temple to temple extension, but I'm going to put it in a little differently this time. I'm going to separate like I usually do. But I'm going to put the extension in upside down so that it's going up, and I'm putting it in a little bit lower than what I normally would because I want a little bit more fullness around the bottom of my hair. Now I'm going to take a brush, small teasing brush, and I'm going to brush my own hair and tease it a little bit around the outside, so to give it a little bit more fullness when I pull it together to bring it up. Then I simply use my fingers because I don't want it too smooth looking. A little bit of texture is always good at this stage. So I'm just gathering it all into a soft ponytail, turning it around and tucking in the ends. Then I use my rat tail comb, of course, to lift it out to give it that nice full look that I think looks great at the back. And just giving it the once over, and then come to the front, and I will adjust accordingly. Take that clip out and make it just a little bit neater in the front. And of course it's going to be different every time you adjust. No 2 times does your hair turn out exactly the same. So it's just adjustment and pinning and smushing and moving and all that sort of thing. And of course it's the do what I say, not what I do practice here by not putting your bobby pin in your mouth to open it up. Use your fingers. And then it's just a question of smushing and fixing and futzing as usual before you give it the final spray. And your rat tail comb is wonderful for lifting and anything else like that that you need to do. So then you adjust. I bring my front down sometimes, and then I go to the other side and bring another tiny little piece down. Just depends on the mood that you're in. And of course, one can change their mind, can't they? Just like I did. Fast, easy, oh so chic. See you next time.